The SPC PRO Energy Data Logger really does make it easy and safe to measure three-phase electrical supplies, and it's already helped hundreds of UK businesses reduce their energy costs and carbon footprints. If you need to measure energy consumption on three-phase loads of any kind, this logger is exactly what you need, and at just £995, the SPC PRO sets the standard for value as well as performance. It can be used with or without mains power, as it has a built-in rechargeable battery allowing up to 3 weeks logging, where a voltage connection is not available. The unit is supplied with everything you need in a custom-made zip-up case, and as you can see, it utilises state-of-the-art flex CTs for safe measurement of current. As we'll demonstrate, these are really easy to use, but they're also extremely accurate and, well, flexible, because as well as being readily fitted around awkwardly shaped cables and into tight spaces, they allow the instrument to be used on loads as low as 2 amps all the way up to 2000 amps, without any manual range selection required. That's real flexibility. The logger also comes complete with its own software package, PowerPack Pro, which is incredibly easy and friendly to use, even if you're not an expert. It allows you to set the unit up as well as download it, and then graph your data, analyse your costs and your carbon footprint, and prepare reports, etc. As I'm going to show you how to use the SPC PRO in a moment or two, we'll start by setting it up. The SPC PRO is very easy to connect to the PC. Just plug it into a USB port and PowerPack Pro will find it automatically within a few seconds, and setting it up is almost as quick. The only variable is the storage rate, which defines how long we want our survey to last. So once that's set, we're pretty much done. The logger synchronises its internal clock with the PC clock at this point, so we do need to ensure that our PC time is displaying correctly. The SPC PRO has lots of memory, so we can record plenty of detail even on longer surveys. And once we've set the storage interval, we don't have to do it again unless we want to change it. All the settings and any stored data are kept in non-volatile memory and are completely secure, even if the battery is not charged, which also means we can now safely switch it off. Now it's all set. All you have to do is hook it up and start recording. When the unit is switched on, the display shows the storage rate that has been programmed, and the calendar and clock, and most importantly, how long the survey will last before the memory is full, which is a handy check. Actually connecting up couldn't be easier, and this is the really clever bit. Although we're measuring a three-phase supply, we only need to make one voltage connection, this one. Then all we have to do is clip the flexes onto the cables we want to measure. The flexes are marked up L1, L2 and L3, so phase identification is easy, and the arrow on the clip is lined up with the power flow, just like water flowing in a pipe. Even though we've only made one voltage connection, the SPC PRO is extremely accurate thanks to its unique measurement technique. If you would like to know exactly how it works, there's a technical presentation following this video and a fact sheet available for download. Once you have clipped on, we're checking an air conditioning supply here, simply press the start button. Finally, we can read off the voltage, the three-phase currents and the frequency from the display, which is very useful for checking that we have hooked the unit up to the right load. When the survey is done, simply remove the unit and switch it off, and it's ready to download whenever you want. As we've seen, the memory of the SPC PRO is completely safe regardless of how long you wait before downloading it. Even if the battery runs down, your data are always safe. To download our survey, we just plug the logger back into the PC and select download. This will wake the logger up so the recorded data can be transferred. Clicking download starts the process. Step 1 identifies the logger and initiates the process. Step 2 allows us to enter the survey details, what the load was, where it took place. At step 3, we can see how the software automatically detects the phase of the wall socket voltage supply and displays it here. Normally, there's no need to use the manual selection. Finally, we add a tariff so we can convert our energy to cost, which completes the download process, so now we can view our results. Here we can see the profile of the energy consumption during the survey we have just carried out, and with a click of the mouse we can convert that information to cost or CO2 based on our own tariff charges and carbon equivalent values. We can also spot problems like this and even work out how much energy and money has been wasted as a result. The SPC PRO also allows us to review other aspects of the supply, such as phase balance, system voltage profiles, and we can even switch between both versions of the BS7671 wiring colours. Power factor and kilowatt profiles are also available if needed, providing a very comprehensive picture of the load being assessed. As I said before, with its unique combination of ease of use, accurate measurement and automatic costing function, it doesn't take long for this instrument to pay for itself. If you'd like to purchase an SPC PRO, you can buy online right here. And if you would like to try the PowerPack Pro software for yourself, you can download the full version, complete with some demo files to play with, completely free of charge.